In today's video, we are going to talk about the Visa Bulletin for September 2026. We have some good news, some excellent movement on Visa Bulletin for September 2026. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sliman. I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from NVC website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share for the future upload, give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. As you may know, the Visa Bulletin summarizes the availability of immigrant visas during the month they release it for final action date and date for filing applications. If you are doing adjustment of status, you must go to this link right here to see which chart you're going to use. Let's do that. So for next month, adjustment of status filing chart for family sponsored filings. For all family sponsored preference categories, you must use the date for filing chart in Department of State Visa Bulletin for September 2026. So now we know everyone must use date for filing chart in Department Visa Bulletin for September 2026. So let's go to that chart. Date for filing is going to be, that's the second chart. The first chart is final action date, but we are going to use date for filing family sponsored visa application. That's the chart we're going to read. So let's start with F1. First, we're going to go the priority date for September 2026. Then we are going to compare the priority date for August and see if there is any movement. So let's start with September 2026 Visa Bulletin. For F1, the priority date all around the world, including China and India, and excluding Mexico and Philippines, is 1st February 2020. For Mexico, the priority date is 1st December 2008. For Philippines, priority date is 22nd April 2015. Let's move on to the next one, which is F2A visa. So priority date is current for all countries, including China, India, Mexico, and Philippines. Let's move on to the next one, which is F2B visa. The priority date all around the world, including China and India, excluding Mexico and Philippines, is 1st September 2019. For Mexico, the priority date is 15 May 2010. For Philippines, the priority date is 1st October 2013. Let's move on to the next one, which is F3 visa. So the priority date all around the world, including China and India, is 1st November 2014. For Mexico, the priority date is 15 July 2001. For Philippines, the priority date is 8 August 2006. Let's move on to the last one, which is F4 visa. So the priority date all around the world, including China, excluding India, Mexico, and Philippines, is 1st November 2011. For India, the priority date 15th December 2006. For Mexico, the priority date is 30th April 2001. And for Philippines, the priority date is 22nd March 2008. So now we know the priority dates for September 2026 Visa Bulletin. Let's compare it to August 2026 Visa Bulletin and see if there is any movement. Let's start with F1. On September, oh, I'm sorry, on August, the priority date was 15th June 2019. On September, the priority date was 1st February 2020 for all countries, including China and India, excluding Mexico and Philippines. As you can see, there is 7.5 months movement, which is good for F1. So there is a 7.5 months for all countries, including China, India. For Mexico, there is no priority, there is no movement, I'm sorry. So the same priority date from August, 1st December 2008. There is no movement as well for Philippines. There is same priority date from August, 22nd April 2015. So there is a 7.5 months for all countries, including China and India. There is no movement for Mexico and Philippines for F1. Let's move on to F2A visa. So the priority date is current. So there is basically there is 1 month movement, but the priority date is current. Is last month on August was current for September is current as well. Basically, there is 1 month movement, but we will keep it is current. F2B visa. So the priority date on August for all countries, including China and India, was 1st January 2019. Now, the priority date on September, the priority date is 1st September 2019. As you can see, there is 8 months movement for all countries, including China and India. For Mexico, there is no movement. Same priority date from August, 15 May 2010. For Philippines, same thing. No movement. Same priority date from August, 1st October 2013. Let's move on to next one, which is F3 visa. So the priority date all around the world, including China and India, on August was 1st March 2013, and now is 1st November 2014. As you can see, there is a 20 months movement for F3 visa, which is excellent movement for F3 visa from 1st March 2013 to 1st November 2014 for all countries, including China and India, excluding Mexico and Philippines, which is excellent for these countries right here. For Mexico, there is no movement, same priority date from August, 15 July 2001. For Philippines, same way, there is no movement from August, there is no movement, same priority date from August, 8 August 2006. Let's move on to the last one, which is F for visa. So the priority date all around the world, including China, from August was 22nd June 2010. Now, on September, the priority date is 1st November 2011. As you can see, there is a good movement as well here, 16.5 months for all countries, including China, excluding India, Mexico, and Philippines. For India, there is no movement, same priority date from August, 15th December 2006. Same way for Mexico, same priority date from August, there is no movement. The priority date is 30th April 2001. For Philippines, there is no movement as well, same priority date from August. The priority date is 22nd March 2008. As you can see, let's recap. For F4, there is a good movement for all countries, including China. There is a 16.5 months, excluding India, Mexico, and Philippines. For F3 visa, there is excellent movement. There is a 20 months movement for all countries, including China and India, excluding Mexico and Philippines. For F2B visa, there is 8 months movement for all countries, including China and India, excluding Mexico and Philippines. For F2A, the priority date is current, so which is good. For F1, there is a 7.5 months movement for all countries, including China and India, excluding Mexico and Philippines. So for September 2026, we really have some good movement, finally. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.